Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to answer questions about myself so you guys can get to know me better. So yeah, keep on watching. And so some of them are from Google and some of them are from Instagram, which are asked on my stories. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first question is, have you ever had a nickname and what is it? No guys, I've not like really had a nickname because my name is like really short. It's like it literally has like 3 letters RIA, so I don't have a nickname. Second question, what are your hobbies? My hobbies are I really like exercising, so I do that every day. I've also recently really started liking driving. Like I drive myself every day and it's really fun, like listening to music and the feeling of being independent. It's amazing. I really like driving these days. So I was supposed to film this video while driving. I did not want to do a sit down video because it's I mean everybody does it, so I thought like while driving it would be interesting, but my phone kept falling every time I kept it and like tried filming. It didn't really work out, so yeah, so that's why we are here. But anyways, so yeah, and so exercising, driving, and also cycling. Like if I get up, I don't go every day, but I really do like when I get up and go, but the just the getting up part is a bit difficult, but okay, whatever. So the next question, why did I start YouTube? So I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel since a really long time. Like I watch a lot of YouTube and I really like watching lifestyle vlogs and stuff, but and I always knew that I would also love the part, sorry for the construction noise, that I would also really like filming vlogs. I knew it, but I did not have the guts to start one. But since I had a long gap between my first year and my second year, I thought that I don't think there's a better time but now. So yeah, I finally started it and I'm really happy, and I hope you're liking my videos. So yeah, that's why I started my YouTube channel. What is the most important thing in your life? Definitely my friends and family. I think they are the most important things. Like the people in my life are the most important things in my life. I don't think I would be here or even have the motivation for anything if they weren't there. So yeah, because I'm a people's person, I really like having people around me. So yeah, the people around me, definitely. Um, what is your biggest pet peeve? For now, like my biggest pet peeve recently has to be like people wearing mask under their nose. That's like the biggest pet peeve for now. Like whenever I see someone doing that, it's just really annoying. Like it just pisses me off at a different level. I don't know if you guys think so, but it really pisses me off at a different level. Um, then next question, when did I start going to the gym? So I started exercising after my 10th grade, which is like in the year 2018. After my boards, I joined the gym and I started exercising. So initially I started it just to lose weight. So most of you guys wouldn't know, but I was pretty healthy till my 10th grade. I weighed almost like 64 kgs, and so I really wanted to like be healthy and I wanted to get fit. So that's why I joined the gym, but I never knew I would like it so much. So yeah, I literally go every day, and it's like I really wait for it. Like I really like the feeling of being sore. I can even wake up for it early, and I really look forward to going to the gym, sweating it out, and the feeling of sore muscles, the best thing. So yeah, that's how I started my fitness journey, and here I am. I really feel fitter, and yeah. really happy that I decided to join the gym. Then, what is the best gift you've been given? So I don't remember the best gift but I've been given, but the all like the best gifts are like I really like handmade gifts. Like any handmade gift is my favorite because it really involves a lot of effort and hard work in making a personalized gift for someone. So I really like it and the thought behind it. And also like the ones, so something I've said before, and like people who remember it and actually gift it, so that's also really good. So those gifts are like my favorite. So I really don't remember the favorite gift anybody has given me, but these are the favorite gifts. Any handmade gift like cards, greeting cards and anything. Next question. What's your favorite holiday? So my favorite holiday or vacation is anywhere with my family, because I've been, so most of my vacations have been with my family. So yeah, like, and most of them have been in Goa. So any vacation with my family, I love spending time with them. So yeah. Uh, so now I have some would you rather questions to just make it more interesting. So yeah, let's go to would you rather questions. So would you rather swim in a pool full of Nutella or a pool full of maple syrup? So if you guys don't know, I'm not a big fan of Nutella, so maybe maple syrup. So a pool full of maple syrup for sure. Would you rather lose your sight or your memories? That's difficult. Maybe my my sight, because I think I really like my memories and I would like to live with them. I don't know if that's a stupid answer, but I would go with memories. I don't know why. Would you rather have a photographic memory or an IQ of 200? I think a photographic memory, that would be so cool. Like I would remember anything I've seen. That's much better than having an IQ of 200. Would you rather eat only pizza for a year or not, or not eat any pizza for 5 years? Eat pizza for a year. I'm a big fan of pizza. It's like my favorite thing. I can eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So definitely eat pizza for a year. Um, Last question. Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? That's really tricky. But I would date someone who loves me, because I would hate the feeling of someone I love, but that person doesn't love me back. That's crazy. So I would let that person live with that, and I would date someone who loves me. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please like, share, comment, and if you like watching my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.